In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio delay issue on your Android device. Many people face this problem when using wireless headphones to play games, listen to music, or watch videos. The sound can lag behind what you see on the screen, making it hard to enjoy your media. Luckily, there are some simple steps you can take to reduce or eliminate this delay. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. After that, tap Connections, then tap Bluetooth. Now, you'll see all the connected devices. Find the Bluetooth headphones or speaker that you are using right now. Next to the name of your device, there is a gear icon or settings icon. Tap on that. You will see an option to unpair your device. Tap Unpair and then confirm by tapping Unpair again when prompted. After unpairing, turn off your Bluetooth and then turn it back on. Then, look for your Bluetooth headphones or speaker in the list of available devices. Tap on their name to pair them again with your phone. This process often helps reduce or eliminate any audio delay issues you were experiencing before. If the first solution didn't work for you, don't worry. Let's move on to the next solution. Go back to the main settings page on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find the battery option. Tap on it. Here, look for an option called Power Saving. If this feature is turned on, it might cause delays in audio playback. Simply turn off Power Saving mode and see if that improves your Bluetooth audio experience. By disabling Power Saving mode, your device will use more resources for better performance. This can help reduce any lag or delay you may be experiencing with Bluetooth audio. If this solution didn't fix your issue, let's move on to the third solution. Exit the Settings app on your Android device and then open the Galaxy Store. In the store, search for an app called Sound Assistant. Download and install this app on your device. Once it is installed, open it up and scroll down until you find an option called Bluetooth Metronome. Tap on this option to access it. Now, you'll see a slider. This slider allows you to adjust the audio timing so that it matches what you see on your screen. Move the slider back and forth until you find the right balance that fixes the audio delay issue. If you are still having issues after following these steps, let's move on to the next solution. Open up the Settings app on your Android device and then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Developer Options. Make sure developer options are enabled on your device. What you want to do next is tap on the search button at the top right. Then type in Bluetooth audio codec. Now you will see different options like LDAC, Qualcomm aptX, or SSC. Choose one of these codecs that works best with your headphones or speakers. After making your selection, test your audio again to see if the delay has improved. If you are still experiencing audio delays with your Bluetooth device, let's move on to the final solution. Open the Settings app on your Android device and then scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on it. Then, tap on the Filter and Sort icon at the top and enable the toggle next to Show System Apps. Tap OK. After that, tap on the search button at the top right corner and type in Bluetooth. Select it. Then scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Hopefully, one of these solutions will help you fix the Bluetooth audio delay issue so you can enjoy a better experience. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.